Hey there, it's Heidi Nord with the Brilliant Dyslexic, and this is our next sound juggling lesson. So remember, just don't worry about the letters. Block those out of your mind. I want you to look at the sounds while I say them. I want you to actually say them, and I want you to listen for them. So this first one is B. And if I add b-oy, you have boy. The next one is ch. What happens if I add oo? Ch, oo, chew. This one is g. What happens if I add I to g? You have guy. G-I, guy. The next one is j. Oi, joy. The next one is o, mo. S-o, so. Sh-oo, shoe. Sorry. Ooh, two. The, the. Ow, wow. I, buy. O, dough. Her. Ow, cow. Ow, now. She. Tea. O, toe. Ooh, you. Way. J. La. May. Pie. Raw. See. That's all we have for today, so thank you so much. I hope everyone has a really great day. Thanks for sound juggling with me. Bye.